'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Hey guys, welcome back to UCARS. We are back in Nick's garage. So it's also Nick from UCARS as well as Nick from, just racing Nick. And we have Adam back with his red limited edition RS, which actually, the red's kind of growing on me, honestly.
It grew on me.
Yeah.
It grew on me big time.
He's got,
he didn't want it at first, he wanted the blue one.
I wanted nitrous blue and they didn't have it. But they had this one,
yeah,
so I bought this one. So it's so nice.
it works. It's nice, but I mean, he's got a lot of upgrades too, and we're still doing upgrades because we just did the purge valve, and we got to do his Livernois Thermostat, right?
Livernois Thermostat.
Oh, that's right.
So yeah, we got to do that.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, so that's going to be done as well as his Mountune Radiator. We got to take the factory one out, and then we're doing suspension as well as anything. Are we doing anything else?
No, just those
just those?
and radiator hoses.
Radiator hoses. Oh yeah. So he's got those. I think those Mishimoto's, right?
And they're the only ones that are red. I gotta get matching.
Oh, matchy. I mean, that works. Red car and everything else. And he's got the red. I just realized you had the painted red ETS on there.
I'm gonna repaint it today white. That's one of my goals today, is get it painted white since we're taking it off. So.
Yeah, I gotta spray the black over that and then white. But yeah, so I'm gonna help go with Nick to do the suspension. We're gonna take out all of that. So front,
Primer,
rear,
light,
and then
light,
rebuild
primer,
the front
light,
one.
light,
So
light.
we don't have the nut on the top, so we gotta reuse this one. But other than that, it should be easy. Should be fast, I think. I mean, we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. I always say that. It's just like, oh yeah, it's gonna be like an hour job, and it turns into.
Every hour.
I'm not gonna comment on that, but yeah.
6 hours.
But yeah, after that, I gotta address something on his car. After this, I gotta do his axle. It kind of popped out a little bit, so I think it's on this side. Yeah, driver's side. So I gotta do that. So we're gonna get to it. Let's go.
See it on there. Shit. It's deep too.
You okay?
Yeah, it's been Gorilla strength?
You already have that.
Don't
I was gonna say.
you work out like 5 days a week? Don't you have it? Now I can get iBot. Well, I guess I do have iBot comments. I got the spacers. Yeah, now I can really put an iBot sticker on the car. But been kind of disappointing in certain stuff. I could probably send them logs, but I don't even know how to pull logs from it because there's no log button.
Do you think they'd have?
Well, keep in mind, it's $5,000 for the suspension.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. That's what it feels like. Oh, come on. It's just like, I got it back there. There we go. How's that one, okay?
Oh, they're good.
Ta-da!
You were ready to go the other way. Nope.
I might actually have to use the big guy.
As far as it'll go.
I've never seen a company that
Ta-da!
There we go.
do such minimal packaging.
What is that?
The came from Columbia. We get back and that weekend is like the 11th. So it's like we do that weekend is this car ready. The weekend after we drive up there in Michigan.
Thank you.
That'll be my actual first
Time.
Yeah. That's alright.
Sorry, my life.
Yeah. I have time. I don't know where the money's going, but well, I do know where it's going. I don't have it anymore.
Oh, we're off.
Well, like, as soon as my money, I just gotta get my kid out of daycare, and then I have about a year before my next kid goes to daycare, and then I won't have money. So I'll have about a year to do whatever I want.
Yeah.
That'll be next September, not this September coming up.
Try to bump that a little bit.
Oh, so
Ta-da.
remember I have one, I don't have to.
I just pranked.
That's is good, y'all. Alright, now we play with the routing. Now do it. Go.
I'm helping. Sticking the zip tie won't zip tie. I don't know. It's not doing the thing.
Come on, do the thing.
Oh, I see.
We'll keep the suspension leaf in there. Don't want.
I know they said leaf springs, right?
Springs I've heard of. Is that one of those?
That's exactly where my brain was going. I was like, it's like leaf springs, right?
The snippers, the
Yeah, so this,
I wonder how, so the rear shafts
sorry,
aren't
sorry.
on any kind of connection?
maybe on the back side like
Where's the
this.
cord connect to these?
There we go. Thank you. Oh, you got big ones.
yeah, maybe a little overkill. Those are the ones I could find.
I have red diagonal cutters actually. Here, I'll go grab those. Hey,
And then that's probably why we get you to like take it in like
That's
am I doing this wrong? What's going on? Oh, it would help if the cap was off. This cap was on.
Yeah, I don't know if the single port implemented torque wrench.
I'm dumb. I'm sorry.
Really?
It was the correct side. I'm just stupid. What the?
Oh, to keep the.
Yeah, that's. I was like, what?
Header.
What am I doing wrong? I must be doing something wrong. Yeah, I was clearly.
It's not doing the thing.
It's not clipping. Oh, I wonder why. It's because you didn't.
Way more security than ours.
Which car should I have now? Is that correct?
It does. That's why I'm like,
Are these positioned right? Does that matter?
Oh,
no. Okay. Is it this way?
See what I mean?
Oh, there.
That means
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Other turns. Does it mean that that's loose? Yeah.
And then it says to tuck behind there. And then this I know feeds like this. So I'm gonna just let it chill over there for now. And then I'm gonna put this back on. Lower the control.
But my point is, if you wanted to adjust it, how would you adjust it? Nothing.
we'll see, like, that's what I was.
Sorry.
Oh,
From here, you can make adjustments if needed to achieve a different ride. Whatever you like to call them.
shocks, struts, all this.
The shotgun split.
But it's cool. So I think we can adjust the.
About anything with a car. Speed-wise. Does yours still have the stains? I can't tell when it's in an angle.
And then that'll be good whenever I go to the
There's a poltergeist in these.
Yeah, you gotta squeeze those gray tabs over there. I'm gonna come out, so you're gonna come out with me.
I got this side.
I got this side.
It's able to come out. It should be able to come out now.
Okay.
There we go. And just bring the rest of that. I'm gonna have to wipe the bottom of that. There's Radiator. Yep. Slide right on. That's it. And then,
Now we can get that clip.
dang, that's nice.
So pretty.
It's like I have one of those too.
Yeah.
I think you have one of those too, don't you?
Yeah. I forgot to send Mountune because you don't see it.
So So Mountune.
So it's funny with how the paint sits on the front.
Let's not use the widest setting.
It's like a little much.
He's getting the thermostat. The new one is in the wet box. Or next to the wet box. Yeah.
This hose. The clamp came off. I gotta put it back on.
It's on Netflix. It's like, I think you should go now. The comedian name is like...
Yeah, I just wanted like DSC Sport or Drop-in. I forgot which one I want. Thank you for calling. Please donate your money to the Kevin and John Vision Club. All right, we're gonna put the radiator back in. Are we waiting on something? I can't go radiator. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start the car.
Yeah, just watch that condenser and push. There you go. I gotta get it back out.
You're on this side.
Yeah, you're good on that side, right?
Where's this little
Check
black
that.
thing? Is this black thing
It
goes in
feels
the
like
hole?
what rubber
Yeah,
band.
like we're like 2 inches or an inch this way.
And then,
I think it's this. Alright, take it back on.
It's got a name.
I think what we did previously was supposed to use on the other side.
Is that a 7 that I was using earlier? So I got smart. I'm pointing it up and I'm just like putting it straight down in there.
Nice. It works.
Where did I put that short extension?
3/8.
It's a 3/8 drive shorty extension. Yeah, that's the one.
I was wondering why I had an extra one over here. I was like, wait a second. You can find an adapter. I don't know that I want to do it.
I'll look for it. Yep, there you go. Red hoses. For red noses?
So.
No? You know how that works? I don't know.
Yeah. When I sell my car, I told him I would sell him the. I'd bring it up. At that point, he'll be upgrading to a different car platform. It is green. It's not yellow. I don't know what they're saying about yellow.
Neon yellow, that's all it is.
the only thing the thermostat cares about is being high temperature.
Hey, so I've been just looking through the video. I noticed that I didn't have enough footage in this video as well, just because when I was creating this video, I was more focused on putting together Adam's car, and then I was gonna go address Nick's car with the axle, which we changed, and it was actually, or we changed it later on, which I don't think I filmed, but this has probably been filmed a while back in July, so I'm a little behind videos, but I'm back again. And I'm going to be making more videos, hopefully more videos. I will actually be making a video on me going out on track in November 16th to Circuit of the America. So the blue car, or the blue RS that I have, we're going to be track mapping it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making a video about some other things that I may be adding before the track day. If not, it'll be after the track day. But November 16th, that's when I'm going to be out on track. And the suspension, if you're wondering what it was, I know I probably added what it was on there. I'll have it in there. It is a Focus RS DSC RT suspension kit. Basically, Adam wanted a kit that enabled you to turn the sword suspension still on, and that still has a magnetic ride suspension, which he says is actually pretty comfortable. It is coilover suspension still, so you can adjust it, and you know, stiff or soft. And then we also did his radiator, as you saw, and we put it back together, and it was actually pretty good, pretty quick. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked it, and if so, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, also comment, share it. There will be more content coming. I've just been busy with other things. I apologize for kind of just not being there and posting videos, but I'm trying to get better at social media and adding more stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, but I'll see you guys later.